Well, good morning. Tuesday. Today is the 22nd of December. One more day after this, and then we've got 10 days off. So don't forget to check in with me or you're marked absent. How do you check in? You can come to this remote and I will see you. You can email me. You can text me. You can do some work that gives you credit. All right. So today in biology, we're going to talk about mutations. And where is biology? Biology, classwork, and the first thing I want to show you is on our slides, we did discuss mutations. So this is coming directly from here. Let's get it loaded up for a second. And mutations is all the way at the bottom. So let me see. Here we go. I'm pretty good. I went right there. So we go over point mutations, which mean only one base is disrupted. So it's either a substitution or an insertion or deletion. Um, Here are some substitutions, insertions, and deletions. Um, so when things are moved over, by the way, it's called the frame shift. Um, so let us go and look at some mutations. So if we come out here and where am I going? I'll save this. And here is our mutation worksheet. So this is not due till tomorrow. So you've got plenty of time to work your way through. So this is fairly easy. So the first thing we're going to do, and is it going to, I don't know why it's in the center here. Oh, there we go. Let's move it over. All right. So what are our matching pairs? T goes with A. In RNA, don't forget A goes with U, C goes with G, A goes with U, C goes with G, G, T goes with A still, A, C, C, G, C, A goes with U, G, C, U, C, oh, that's a mistake, G, and A. All right. So, what amino acid goes with this? Well, what we need to do is pull up our little chart, which is right here. This is one chart. I also put out here this example. that goes across. So I like this chart. It's very easy to do. So it's going to take a minute of going back and forth. Remember, when you are going to figure out amino acids, it's every 3. So you could space this out just like I am doing. All right. So if I copy this over to this sheet, just so I can see. All right. So I put it there. So the way you do this, U, so it's going to be this column and G. So this is our first one. Second one, U, G, G. So this is our second one. Control C, Control V, AAC, AAC. Now we've got CGC, CGC, UGC, UGC, and UGA. UGA. Oh, there is our stop codone. So we are done. And we're going to copy this back here for our amino acid. So we've done our first one, which is a regular strand. Note that methionine is usually a start codone. And what does the word codone mean? Well, codone is when you have 3 bases together, it becomes a codone. All right, so let's look at this one. All right, T goes with A goes with U, C goes with G, U, A, G, A, C, C, G, C. A goes with U, C goes with G, G goes with C, A goes with U, G, and A. All right, so let's copy this. Well, let's, what I like to put the bars in between so we can actually see the codones separated. All right, that looks okay. There's the August, by the way. I always call it August, which is your start codone. So I'm coming back here. Let's start our second. Uh-oh, I don't want that. Let's try that again. All right. There we go. Oh, what's that? All right, so we know August is this. Control C, Control V. So we've got UAG, U, A, and G. Oh, it's a stop codon. Control C. Something's wrong. Something is wrong because we should not have a stop codon there. Now let's look. A, oops, I gotta move it up a little. A, C, aspargine, Control C, AC. Now we got CGC, CGC, UGC, UGC, cytosine, and UGA, UGA, and another stop. So let's copy this over to our sheet. All right. So I would say this was my slides here. A substitution. All right. So let's go back here and say I think this was a. Oops, I don't want substitution. So that's a mistake. Now let's do the next one. All right, so T goes with A goes with U, C goes with G, G goes with C, A goes with U, G, G, A, C, C, G, C, C, G, C, U, G, C, U, G, and A. All right, there's our string. Let's separate it. Uh-oh. I got a leftover. We can tell. I could tell already. This is an insertion. Oops. This is an insertion because we got one too many. And I don't know offhand. So you go out and put the amino acids in. Let's try the next one. All right. T goes with A goes with U, C goes with G, A goes with U, G, G, A, U, C, G, C, U, G. C, U, G, and A. All right, let's separate it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. All right, this is looking okay, right? So let's copy it. Hold on. Let me just look at my camera. Yeah, I'm the only one still here. Oops, so this is what we're copying. Control C. All right, we did those, so. All right, so we know this is our August. Always starts us off. All right, so move up a little bit. U, G, G. Tryptophan. Everybody knows tryptophan, right? Tryptophan is what is in turkey that makes you sleepy. All right, that is that amino acid. So now you won't forget it. Tryptophan. All right. A U. Aspergin. C G C U G C. Oh, here it is. We have another stop. Control C. Control V. And we still a U G A, which is again a stop. All right, so in this instance, no harm, no foul, because it does not change anything. It's still stopping. We just have a dual stop. So let's go back here. Oh, why'd you do that? I didn't mean to do that. Let's go back here. So I don't know if this is a substitution or an insertion. I'm really not sure. But as I say, let's call this an insertion. We have an extra stop. All right, we only have 2 left. We're doing pretty good here. And see how fun this is? I love doing these. That's why we get all the practice. That way you memorize. T goes with A. A goes with U. C goes with G. A goes with U. C goes with G. T goes with A, C, C, G, C, U, G. U, G, C, U, G, A. All right, there's our string. Insert, 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 and insert. So let's move this over so we can see. Let's go right here. Oh, actually, let me go here. Take these out. All right, U, G, A. Oh, here we go again. We got to stop right there. A, A, C. A, A, C. Control C. Control V. A, A, C. C, G, C. U, U, G, C. U, G, C. Last one. U, G, A. Control C. All right, so this is definitely an this is they moved around. So we have another insertion here. Oops, can't spell. All right, let's I think this is our last one. Why'd I give you 2 days? This is too easy. Jeez, you know? All right. And again, I think this is on center. Let's go over here. All right, so T goes with A goes with U, C goes with G, A goes with U, G, G, A, C, G, C, U, G, C, U, G, A. Let's do our separation. Boom, 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 boom. Uh-oh. Anybody tell? This is, I can tell you right off, it's a deletion. Oops. It took one away. So you go out and match up. I mean, we already know what these are going to be. So substitution, insertion, and deletion are mutations. Some are good, some are bad, as you might know. But I love showing, eye color is a mutation. There were no blue eyes until about 1400 years ago, and it's popular. So, um, remember survival of the fittest. So, a lot of people like the blue eyes. So, chromosome mutations are a whole different picture, but these are not chromosomes. These are gene mutations. I am going to try to do, when we get back, a lesson on chromosome mutations. And I'm very excited about it. And each one of you are going to have a baby and line up the slides. So this is all there is on mutations. Oh, I was here because see the cute little parakeets. You know, the mom and dad were green, but there was a mutation and some of the babies were blue. All right. So yeah, as I said, this is the last assignment for this period. We'll pick back up and start genetics when we come back. So I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday. Don't forget, you still have to check in with me tomorrow. Let's use the break to catch up on everything you need to do. But I wish you all the best holiday, and I will be around. So if you need help, I'm here. Except for Christmas Day, I would like a day off. All right, take care.